Not what Michael would have wanted. The family and friends of Michael Sharpe are condemning reports of threats against the nurse who administered the AstraZeneca vaccine on the senior broadcaster. The police, in the meantime, are gathering information to launch a probe. Giovanni Dennis has been tracking the story.
3 people closest to Michael Sharpe, all appalled by reports of threats on the life of the nurse who administered the AstraZeneca vaccine on the senior broadcaster in March.
That is not what Michael Sharpe would have wanted in any way.
No. If you care for my brother, honor him by honoring the medicine. And that nurse was honoring Jamaica, honoring the science by giving this vaccination that will prevent us from ending up in the hospital. I know that the doctors, the nurses, the cleaning staff, the security risk their lives every day to take care of us.
People just need to stop it. It's just like the rumors that they were spreading how much times that he died. And, so people just need to stop because none of us, family, friends, close friends, don't see anything that's something that Michael would appreciate or like.
The sisters disclosed more information on the timeline of Mr. Sharpe's illness.
He had COVID before the vaccine, and it just erupted that week. So in no way does the COVID vaccine cause COVID. I have had it, my sisters have had it, almost the whole family has had the vaccine without any repercussions from that. He had been a heart patient, as he has said, and so he had some comorbidities already, which made it a little bit tougher to fight this virus.
The family is touched by the overwhelming support and wants good memories only. But even as the family forges forward, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has taken an interest in reports of threats against the nurse.
Today I spoke with somebody from the association, and they really confirm what you said. In addition, they said there are other healthcare workers that are being threatened for carrying out their duty. However, based on the list of places that they did name that they reported it to, we realized that there was not an official report made to the police. So they were encouraged to make a formal report to the police, so that can help us to initiate an official investigation into the matter.
SSP Lindsay is warning individuals to desist from sending threats.
It's an offense to threaten people, and we can't go around carrying out these threats, because if they are caught, and when they are caught, they will be held accountable.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.